loves, it's Christina Vega here, and welcome back to the Christina Vega channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I wanted to share with you some exciting news and let you know that Sephora is having a sale on all their play boxes. So the best of play boxes is available for $10 on Sephora.com and on the Sephora app for a limited time. Yep, you heard right. You can purchase the best of Sephora play boxes right now for only $10. In every box, you get 6 samples from high-end brands that value up to $62. What I love about the play boxes is that I'm a huge fan of travel size items. It's great for gifting. It's also really cool to test out items before you buy the full-size product. And why not try some newness and treat yourself, right? Right? I love my first play box so much I had to get another one, and this one is the Beauty Soulmates box. The Beauty Soulmates box comes with samples from makeup, hair care, and skincare. Now you know if I'm here, this calls for an unboxing. Yeah, let's get started. In every Sephora play box, you do get this sheet of paper. It's always, of course, different and unique to its box, and it just kind of breaks down the items that are inside and all the benefits and stuff like that. I've been collecting and saving every single bag because it is reusable, and so this itself is good for traveling. So don't throw it away. Reuse, recycle, please and thank you. The first item is by Philosophy. This is the Purity Made Simple Cleanser. It's a gentle cleanser that tones and hydrates. It's formulated for all skin types and is gentle for even the eye area. It removes makeup, oils, and impurities. So this one is Clinique. This is the Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. So I actually had several of these over the past few years, and I love that I now have a small size to throw in my makeup kit. This gives you like a sheer tint of plum, and I've seen it on so many different skin tones. It looks beautiful on every single complexion, and honestly, let me just put it on. Okay. It glides on so smooth. So you can wear this by itself, as you see here, and you can also wear this underneath your lipstick for an extra boost of moisture. And we're gonna keep this on for the rest of the video because, you know, why not? Next is the Verb Ghost Oil. This is a hydrating oil that smooths frizz, it visibly adds shine, and it's super, super lightweight. And because my hair is out, you know. This also strengthens your hair, which is a plus. Smells good. Now, how cute is this sample packet? This is the perfect way to try out the product before you get the full size amount. This little sample here, and I still have a lot more to continue using. I'm just gonna put this in a safe place. Be right back. Here we have the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. This is a lightweight hydrating cream that targets fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, dullness. Since I do have a full face on, I won't be applying this on my face, but we can try it out on the back of our hands. It definitely feels lightweight. I love how lightweight it is, and just the instant luminosity on the back of my hand. I have another item by Clinique, but it's from skincare, and this is the Blackhead Solution 7-Day Deep Pore Cleanser and Scrub. This is a 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and deep cleansing mask. It helps tackle the appearance of pores and blackheads. Last but not least is the Lock It Setting Powder from KVD Vegan Beauty. I'm really excited to have this in my play box because I do not like traveling with a full jar size of translucent powder. I've had those explode in my makeup kit. It's just not a pretty sight. So this is definitely coming with me. This weightless translucent setting powder leaves your makeup lasting all day. It's like a filter for your makeup. It just softly diffuses your pores and it takes away the shine, and you already know we're gonna apply this on right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. Definitely take advantage of this opportunity while supplies last. Do not wait till the last minute because boxes are selling out fast. I'm going to leave a link down below so you can purchase the best of play boxes and check out all the ones that are available right now. Again, it's only $10. You get 6 samples from amazing high-end brands. Do not want to miss this opportunity. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to me already, please do so. The Christina Vega. I'll see you guys soon.